Hello everybody! In the last videos, we are present off-road adventure of solo yellow Jeep. And now this moment we are present new videos here. I'm looking micro car. Not accidentally found it in this park area. Let's watch this video until finished. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hope you guys are always healthy. The biggest red Jeep was in a hurry because it was late getting out of bed, while the others had already gathered in the field. On the way, the red Jeep encounters many micro cars. Look at that. We found one item. Did you know what is this? Yes, this is a road roller. Its function is to grind the asphalt road.